So I've got an iPhone 8 Plus. There it is. And what I really want to do is just make it to where I have this screen right here. That would make me happy. There I am. Should I cut it with a hacksaw, razor blade? Or, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the miter saw. Whoa, hold up. Isn't there an Apple trade-in program? Isn't the new Mini out? Ruh-roh. Getting ready for a montage. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. I destroyed the iPhone, but no fear. I ordered it apart, the digitizer, and it came in. As you can see, my installation skills are impeccable. Careful. If you listen close, you can hear the YouTube in the background on how to install this digitizer. And with any luck and my extreme skills, Apple will take it back for a trade-in. There it is, voila. It's here. Nice support. Isn't she a beauty? And just like many other reviewers said, yeah, it does feel good in the hand. I decided on the clear case at first. Later, I found that it got pretty dirty pretty quickly. I ended up switching it out for a leather case. Here's the old 8 Plus. She served me well. The mini screen is a little narrower, but taller. Finally got this bad boy. Woo! See what it looks like. Alright. Supposed to be able to flick this thing out. Feels fancy. Kind of weighty. Perfect. Here's to the claims. Feels good. Looks really good. Here's what I'm used to working with. It's going to work a whole lot better than that. And this is what I've always had, is the spec. Cheers to them for making this device. It's a good one. You can actually just toss your phone around on it and nothing will happen to it. It's great. But now we're on to the more delicate. I've always wanted something where I could just stick out the wallet. This solves the problem.